10 second, 5 second. Start. The present proceeding arises out of a case instituted by the respondents, Sabu Trade Private Limited, invoking jurisdiction of the Court of Judicial Magistrate Number 4, Salim, the Salim Court, under Section 1563 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973, by filing the present application under Section 406 of the 1973 Code. The petitioner wants the case to be transferred to the Court of the Chief Judicial Magistrate, Patiala House Court, New Delhi. The allegation of the respondents in the said case is over use of the trademark in respect of sago or sabudana by Rajkumar Sabu, the petitioner. According to the respondents, such use is illegal and unauthorized. The respondents claim proprietary right over the said trademark. The complaint was instituted on 22nd May 2017. The Judicial Magistrate Salim Court in short had required the police authorities to conduct a thorough inquiry with regard to genuineness of the private complaint, and a report was filed by the concerned Inspector of Police. The case was registered as CC number 82/2018 on 5th April 2018. The judicial magistrate took cognizance of the alleged offence under Section 420 of the Indian Penal Code and 103 of the Trade Marks Act 1999 and issued summons to the petitioner. The proceeding before the court at Salim was instituted by the respondents, represented by their managing director Gopal Sabu. All allegations were primarily directed against the petitioner in the complaint, but another individual, Shiv Narayan Sabu, was also implicated in the proceeding before the Salim court. The transfer petitioner, however, has been brought by Rajkumar Sabu alone. Subsequently, an application for intervention has been filed by said Shiv Narayan Sabu. He supports the petitioner's case for transfer. In the intervention application, the grounds on which transfer is sought by the petitioner has been broadly repeated. Said Shiv Narayan Sabu has shown sufficient interest to intervene in this proceeding and allow his application for intervention. Hence, the intervener's clause shall be dealt simultaneously with the petitioner's case. The intervener has also alleged that he has been unnecessarily dragged into the dispute. But in this proceeding, that grievances of the intervener cannot be considered. I am to examine the plea for transfer of the aforesaid criminal case only before the Salim court. Examination in chief of 3 prosecution witnesses have been completed on 20 March 2019, 5th April 2019 and 27th May 2019, as has been pleaded in the transfer petition. Next date was fixed by the Salim court for appearance of the 2 accused persons. Several proceedings have been instituted over the question of ownership of the trademark, and these litigations bear features of a family dispute. The petitioner, intervener, and Gopal Sabu, who appears to be in effective control of the respondents' business, are brothers. The business of petitioner and the respondent company also seems to have had association or connection in the past. There was a burst of litigations between the two parties, Rajkumar and Gopal in substance. In the year 2016, the petitioner filed a suit in the High Court of the Delhi on 9th June 2016, alleging infringement and passing of the same trademark by the respondent. He claims to have registration of the subject trademark in his favor on the strength of an assignment from his late mother, Chandrakanta Sabu. The said suit was registered as civil suit commercial number 761 of 2016. Gopal Sabu made complaints to the police authorities at Salim in the months of July and August 2016, seeking action against the petitioner on the allegations of counterfeiting the same brand referred to in the complaints inter alia as property mark. These complaints were founded also on certain other counts in the suit instituted in the Delhi High Court. Counter claim was lodged by the respondents.